welcome to this very exciting video. I think this is probably one of my favorite videos that I am most excited to put out for you. Other than the video where we announced that we were having a baby, this one is pretty exciting. So this is the gender reveal. We did it this weekend. For those of you who don't follow us on Instagram, we also moved this weekend, so there was so much going on. We had family from out of town here helping us. It was just chaos, but thank you for your patience. Thank you for waiting patiently for me to get my act together and get this video out, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. The first thing that I'm going to share with you is our trip to the doctor for our anatomy scan. Here we go. We are off to our anatomy scan and we're going to get the gender put in an envelope. So I'm very excited, a little bit nervous. We're praying that the anatomy scan comes back perfect and everything looks great. But we're excited to see our baby, and more importantly, we are excited to find out if we're having a girl or a boy. You're allowed to say if you want a girl or a boy. So do you want a girl or a boy?
Boy.
You want a boy?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that's how I'm leaning too, but obviously, I mean, if we had a girl, that would be so cute for Emerson because she could have a sister. I've never had a sister, and I always thought that would be really fun. So we don't care either way, but it would be cool to have a boy, but we shall see. We just had our anatomy scan and everything looked great, thankfully. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous. Just like, the ultrasound took a really long time and they never really say anything while they're in there. And so I just was kind of nervous, but thankfully everything looked great. The baby was measuring, so today I'm 19 weeks and 1 day. The baby was measuring 18 weeks and 3 days, but the doctor said that that was fine and normal. And we have our gender in this card. And I think what we're gonna do is, I think Andrew and I are gonna open it tonight and we'll catch our reaction on camera, and then that way we don't have to wait almost 2 weeks to find out if we're having a girl or a boy, because I honestly just don't think that we can do it. I don't think that we can wait that long. So we're gonna probably open this tonight and find out, and then y'all will find out. My family, like I said, came into town to help us move, but also to be here with us so we could do the gender reveal together and be excited together. So here is the exciting gender reveal. I wanted to put a disclaimer in there and say there is absolutely nothing wrong with the Canon that I was using. It was just user error. I am so impressed with the company Poof There It Is. They sent me those Canons so I could do a really fun gender reveal. So I just want to thank Poof There It Is. I'll have a link to their website down below if you guys want to check it out for your gender reveal. And like I said, there was nothing wrong with my Canon. It was just user error, and I was not using my brain. So now I'm going to share with you a really special moment that Andrew and I shared together about finding out what we were having. We are not very patient people, and we could not wait almost 2 weeks to find out what we were having. So we just went ahead, and the day we did the anatomy scan, we asked the technician to put the gender in an envelope, and we took it home so that we could open it on camera and capture the moment of Andrew and I finding out what we were having. You need a drink? Okay, so Andrew and I decided that we officially cannot wait until the gender reveal in almost 2 weeks from now, so we are gonna do it right now. My heart is pounding. I'm actually nervous. Are you nervous, or you don't even care? It is what it is, and we're gonna be happy either way, but it's still exciting, and I guess it's just like, I'm nervous excited. Are you nervous now?
No.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, here we go. It's a boy! It is a boy!
Oh, dang.
I knew it! Babe, we're having a boy.
I know.
Oh my gosh, that's like so weird. I was hoping it would be a boy, but like...
I thought I saw some nuts today.
Oh my gosh. I had a gut feeling that it was gonna be a boy. Like I did you have any gut feeling? Or did you just really not know?
I didn't know.
I had a gut feeling that it was a boy just because it's like been a different pregnancy, but you never know.
Oh, dang.
Woo! Okay, let me see. How can you tell? Where is it? No, it's right here, babe. That's what you're looking at.
I thought that was from the nuts.
No, this is a leg, that's a leg, this is its butt, and that's its weenie.
Oh.
It is most definitely a boy.
Yeah.
There is no doubt about that. Oh my goodness. Honestly, it's like, it's hard for me to wrap my mind around just a little bit because I've never had a boy. All I know is girls, which means that we now have to buy all new stuff.
Great.
Well, we're not gonna buy all new stuff, but we at least have to buy new clothes. But you get your boy.
Mm-hmm.
You can do sports and stuff. Can you believe it? No, not really?
Boy.
That's gonna be fun to do the gender reveal. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys are excited as we are. We're having a boy. What? I cannot be happier. Honestly, Emerson is going to be the best big sister, and I think she's going to love being a big sister to a little brother. One of each. That sounds great to me. I'm so excited for Andrew to finally have his boy. Of course, he loves being a daddy to a girl, but there's just something about being a boy dad. I think he can do his sports with him because Andrew's super into sports, and I don't know, I'm excited, and I am totally at peace and like ready to be a boy mom as well as a girl mom. I'm excited. I think it's going to be really fun. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments what you think. If you're excited, if you guessed it right away, just let me know. Talk to me in the comments. I can't wait to hear from you guys. I love you so much. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already so you don't miss any more fun videos coming up. I have a whole brand new apartment to show you guys, and I will be showing you an empty apartment tour here pretty soon. So be subscribed to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss those videos. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.